Okay, hello, Assalamu alaikum. So, today the topic which we are going to discuss is how to write a narrative review. Okay, so before starting any research, first of all, you have the knowledge of your topic of interest, and you must have enough background knowledge so that you can easily identify the research gaps. So, so the first of all, the main hurdle that most of the students face is that um, what is research? So this is the most important question. So you have to split this into two categories. Re means again, and search means to find. So it means you have to find things against a topic again and again and again and again. For example, the scientist A has discovered that this is the cell and it has a receptor, and this is causing the disease disease A. Okay, so how then what you are going to do, because this A scientist has discovered this thing, so what the novelty you can bring into this topic. So for that, you have to bring out the novelty first. You need to understand the nature of work, or the already published scientific literature within that scope of topic, like this disease. And you have to find out that since the very beginning, like let's suppose this disease was discovered in 1901 something. Okay, so since then you need to rule out and check how many papers have been published so far. Okay, and to do that, because you need to find out the gaps in this topic, because this topic has already been published. um, but the question arises that because let's suppose in between this time frame there are a lot of topics, like 2, 2, 2, 3, 8, 9, 7, 9 something number of articles are there. So how you're gonna make the difference? So first you will shorten your timeline filter. Okay, and how you are going to do this by narrowing down, and you have to just select recent year or last 5 year data, like let's suppose 2021, like you are starting from studying this topic 2021 to 26. So now let's suppose the number reduced to um let's suppose 1,000 articles. So now this amount is sufficient for us to filter it more. Okay, so how we are going to do this job? Like, let's suppose how we are going to find all of these things. So for these, we do all have some tools, or some databases such as PubMed, Scopus, um, Google Scholar, and NCBI, and so on. Whatever you know, you can search all the databases. So this is how you have to s- use these databases to do your searching, to do you to relate it to your topic of interest. And and now, among all of these four databases or some more, how you can find out more databases? Now, as we all know that we do have open access AI databases, so we can simply ask or give prompts to the uh, AI that kindly, you cannot write the whole review from the AI because that is something different. But what help you can seek from the AI is that you can ask for the more databases other than these. So let's suppose, let's go to the AI and let's find out how we can make a difference, or how we can give the relevant prompts. So first of all, if we go to the chat, so let's suppose I'm writing here the prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt which I have written, like find the databases for research article other than NCBI, PubMed, Scopus, and Google Scholar. Now I'm going to search. Let's see what it will be going to give us the answer. So it gave us many other freely available databases. Okay, Open Alex, larger scale literature search, citation analysis, bibliometric. It's free. Dimensions, publication, grant, patents, clinical trials, semantic scholar, AI assisted literature discovery and citation mapping, the lens, cross reference, Europe PMC, and so on. I think that's Embase, TK Web of Science, Cochrane Library, and so on. So when you are writing to the literature review or something like that, so you have to be as sure as you, as much as sure you as you can, that you have extracted or retrieved all the relevant databases. So first of all, like let's suppose I'm starting with the disease of let's choose one topic, that is cancer. Okay, and I would like to see how now cancer is going. Okay, and it should not be just stick to only one cancer. It I'm just trying to understand the whole microenvironmental niche of the cancer, and how it is progressing in our body. So so what I will do, I do have the list of these recent I will copy this and I will paste it here in my whatever I do have for, and I will keep it safe. Okay, we will look at these things later on. Let me increase its a bit font size so that it would be easy for us to understand. Okay, so these are some. new databases that what you can search. But let's just stick to the conventional methods like PubMed. Now I'm looking and how I'm going to search on the PubMed. So I will just simply write the word cancer, and then I will look how many number of articles are there. So as you can see, these are the number of articles which only the word cancer has retrieved. And if you see how, if you see this trend line, like first ever cancer that has been diagnosed or studied or researched was literature available back in 1783. So cancer is not more than back than that. Okay, it arose in the 18th century, and afterwards then it is continuously progressing. And if you see that here in 19, its trend is increasing. So in the past century, like when 21st century began, so its trend is like to increase a lot. So so there is something here that happened that caused the cancer. Okay, no matter how much we debate on this topic or not, and before that the world was free from cancer before. If we see, um 1943. Okay, so before 1943, 1783, or what we say in 1600 century, so the world was free from cancer. So cancer was not there at that time. So in the past decades, it has evolved and it has drastically evolved. And if we just use these filters like air, like as we can see here, it just evolved in the past 25 years. So what we will do, we will just tick on the filter or check the 10 years data. So you can see the numbers are reduced. I will clear it again to make it more understandable to you. So this is the number which we will copy. We will do it Control C, and how we are going to now uh, save these understanding. Like I write it here. So these are the number of articles, and this is what I got from just by typing the word cancer. So the word cancer retrieved these articles. And if I am applying the filter of 10 years, so it is shortlisting the articles to this figure. So this figure. And if I just clear it again, so if we just see, okay, so if we just look at that from here, there is no number of articles there. And from this point here to this and this, so there is a drastic increase in the number of the cases regarding this word cancer. Okay. And before 1943, there was very low number of the cases or reported, or so it may be due to the fact there can be more possible reason. One possible reason is that the trend of cancer research has increased, because before, back in the time, there was no research and no uh, publications on the cancer. Okay, so and even if there is any research, so it must be in the gray literature. Then second thing is that increased number of cases. Three, increase population, because back in the time there was a very less population. So increase population, increase cancer cases, increase cancer research trend. Okay. Fourth, um, fourth can be high risk factors. Means if you are smoking, if you are taking tobacco, so if these things are increasing, so obviously your number of the cancers will increase. If we all are eating junk foods a lot, we are all are eating outside street foods a lot, so these are the reasons that have disrupted our whole body mechanism, whole our things. So anyways, how we are going, we can't review this number of articles because these are still very more. So first we will apply filter to this. If we see that apply by applying the 10-year filter, if we are getting the good results, so we can stop here. But still I don't think so that we will get the good numbers. So I think we should go for the option 5 years or 1 year, because this is the most alarming topic these days. And I think 1 year data will also be very much sufficient. So let's see, after applying these filters, what number of results we are retrieving. So, so if we apply 10 years, so it is 2262197 results. And what if I will apply 5 years? So it will yield these results. Still in 5 years, there are a lot. And even in 1 year, it will be so much. Okay, so even we can't uh, review all of these, because so where is the problem? Like if we are just even focusing on uh, 1 year topics, so where we can bring out the change, like what the additional next filter uh, we should, or we should use. So additional filter or additional changes that what we can made is that we can use different search terms. So this is how, when you go mad, when you in research, when you start any topic or anything, and you just write the word, if your supervisor or anyone say just go and search out the things, so you start panicking at this is stage, that is still we have a lot of number of articles under the umbrella of this word, and this is what we don't want to do. So how we are going to narrow down these results again, like by applying which filter. So this is what, so either what we can do, we can add like and or we could write any specific cancer here, like let's suppose top cancers. You can use this word, but I don't think so that this word would be really relevant. So what I could do, I will write microenvironment, and I have to check uh, this word by first of all clearing these filters. Like I don't need it one year, I need it from this start point to this end point with this cancer and this one cancer and microenvironment mesh terms. So these are known as mesh terms. So I have to find it according to this. So now I will write here the word and. Okay, first of all, what I will do, I will clear all these filter which we have already used. I will write and micro environment, cancer and micro environment. Okay. So using these terms, there is still a significant reduction in the number of the results. Now I will apply filter 5 years. So it reduced the number to the 85,000. Uh, then I will apply filter 1 year. So it also narrow down the results up to 24,000. But now I need only research articles. So there are some more filters that you can choose. Like you want to study only abstract, full free text, or full text. So for here, I would choose these two. I will check these two filters. So this will reduce the number of articles more. And now I don't need any review article here. I need original research papers. So I will open this, and then here I have to select original research. Okay, so that can be comparative study, that can be um, research support by these grants, and observational study, clinical study. Okay, now let's see after applying these filter what happened. So it give the outcome and the results of 533 articles, 1 year full text, and this is. So are we able to even review these 533? So no. So obviously now I can add any other mesh term. Let's suppose pancreatic cancer and microenvironment. 46 article, gastric cancer and microenvironment, 24 number of articles, breast cancer and microenvironment, 80 results. Okay, so this is something. So if I am adding or changing the simple words of the types of cancer like pancreatic, gastric, or breast, so you may have observed that the number of the results are continuously changing. So now it depends on you how many articles are feasible to you that you can study or do the literature search. So then what I will do, I will just to send to, uh, I will go to save. And what I will do, I will all results, I will select this option. Summary, no, we need abstract text. We don't need the summary, and we will create the file. So now whole all the abstract of these 80 results will be available here. So in this notepad with the abstract and all the information. So what I will do, I will just click copy all of this and paste it in any kind of Word document. Now here at this step, you can uh, do some AI thing or something, like in order to summarize the text, because we cannot read all of these all 80 articles. So first of all, this raw text you have to edit it so that it would be easy for you to understand, read, and to simplify. For reference, for sake of the reference, you can save their these PubMed IDs, because this information is giving the DOI, PMC ID, and PMID. So these are some very important information that you can maintain according to the number of article that is retrieved. Like let's suppose this is article number 1. So you, for sake of maintaining the references, initially you will write 1 and PMID. Just simple. 2 PMID, 3 PMID, 4 PMID. So this is how you will automatically maintain a rough reference list when you need the whole reference, so you can later on go back to each PMID. But at this stage, what you can do, you can save these things and keep the reference number with this order, so it would be easy for you to maintain the references carefully. So these numberings are very important. So first of all, the first let's see, the first topic is talking about the cross tissue multi-cell coordination and its rewiring in the cancer. Then if we go to another Nature article, so it is explaining nutrient requirement, organ specific metastasis in the breast cancer. So it means nourishment is very important thing that is also being, that can be discussed. Then we have FC optimized CD40 agonistic antibody, Helix tertiary lymphoid structure formation, and systemic anti-tumor immunity in metastatic cancer. So this is how you now getting the flow, the direction, that one topic is talking about this. Uh, so this is breast cancer, and now you are getting, by going through each and every heading, you are getting information what that specific topic is talking about. So make just bullet points that this cancer is talking about this heading, this paper is talking about this, and start to organize or sort your data accordingly. Okay, so in the next session, I will be going to make you understand that how we will be going to arrange this raw retrieved data in, and to summarize it, how to make easily make or make the references or maintain the references without any endnote or medley thing and softwares, and we will learn how to write a review, narrative review, using these simple tools. So to draft a simple manuscript, you can use these techniques.